Hi Taurus! Welcome back sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. Gagawin natin ang inyong monthly or month-end Tagalog reading for the month of August 2024. Ang current timestamp ng ating reading ngayon ay August 31, 10:29 p.m. Taurus, no? Remember na ito ay isang collective reading, so maaari itong mag-resonate on to the next 3 to 6 months. And it may resonate on a certain collective, but if it doesn't resonate with you, I will tap into your energy next month of September, Taurus, okay? And sa mga new viewers po natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. At sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik ng ating mga monthly Tagalog readings. Okay, Taurus, i-shuffle ko lang muna ang mga baraha again in front of the camera, and I will see you guys in few seconds, alright? Hi again, Taurus. So, simulan na natin ang inyong monthly or month-end Tagalog reading for August 2024. Alright? So, kuha tayo ng 7 cards at ang ating deck ay ang Moonology Oracle cards. Okay? Yan siya. Okay. Position 1, Taurus. Okay. Position 2. Third position. Kaapat. Ang 5 for Taurus. Alright. Okay. So, here you go. Sa first position, release card. Something na completely dapat mo nang let go or gawin. Finally, unleash mo na. Okay? New Moon. Obviously, bagong simula, bagong cycle in Leo. Leo represents lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Lion represents confidence. Lion represents fierce, no, and passionate, and ano yun, basically brave, courage, okay? And also they have this temper, no, na mahirap manage, diba? Let's say that, no, may energy of stubbornness. But anyway, in a positive way, ang sinasabi dito, Taurus, is that it's about time na maging mas confident ka for the month of August all the way to the next 6 months. Okay? So, this is not the perfect period to just be, you know, sa isang corner lang ng kwarto. Okay? So, it's more about building yung self-concept natin sa sarili natin. Taasan natin yung belief natin na we are really good at something. Na magaling tayo sa isang bagay, na maganda ang skill sets natin, na contributor tayo, na team player tayo, na tayo ay matalino, tayo ay knowledgeable sa isang bagay. Pagdating sa career, pagdating naman din sa love life, mas confident tayo na maganda tayo, gwapo tayo. Huwag natin ilulok down yung sarili natin. Always, iangat natin yung sarili natin. Hindi confident, but in a way na parang you acknowledge, compliment yourself sa mga assets mo. Like, maganda ang mata, maganda ang skin, matangkad ka, no? Balingkinitan ka, you're a good speaker, you're very smart, no? Some people are attracted sa intelligence, some people are attracted with looks. So, it's basically, that's how you attract people on the same wavelength. Okay? Now, Taurus, sa second position, yung kailangan mo ipagpatuloy is that you are good enough. Related siya dun sa una, no? Kasi may confidence na kinakailangan tayong i-build sa sarili natin, Taurus, no? And paniwalaan mo tong self-concept na to, Taurus, na you are good enough. Alright? So, pag sinabi natin yan, believe in yourself na ikaw lang sapat na. No, believe in yourself na walang kakulangan sa'yo. Na kung ano ang hinahanap sa'yo ng isang employer, ng partner mo, you have it. And masaya sila sa kung ano ang meron ka. Kung ano yung na-i-contribute mo sa isang relasyon, sa trabaho mo, sa project, at sa pamilya mo. You are good enough, or you are more than enough para sa kanila, sa family mo, sa friends mo, sa employer mo, and sa love life mo, sa yung partner. Okay? So, it's about building yourself, no? Revamping yourself, self-concept mo, that more than, give credit to yourself, no? Maybe baka hindi mo masyadong what you can do. Alam mo yung dapat mong gawin is that hug yourself, give yourself some credit, and pat yourself, comfort yourself, do some self-love or self-care. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Yung mirror technique, gawin nyo yan na you're beautiful, you're gorgeous, you're smart, you're sexy, you're adorable, you are respected, you are admired. Okay? These things, dapat ibigay mo sa sarili mo yan. Own it and make it your reality. Ngayon, sa manifestation naman, Taurus, nandito ang North Node. Step out of your comfort zone. So, sa mga manifestation mo, medyo mas maging daring tayo, mas maging adventurous, and be more like Dora the Explorer, no? So, if you want to manifest things, manifest new things, no? Kasi pag nag-manifest ka ng new things, it will invite state of, alam mo yung wish fulfilled na hindi pa nangyayari before sa'yo. It's something new, something different. It could be something na mas magugustuhan mo. Okay, let's say you're manifesting a love life, no? So, change the way you see about yourself, diba? Change the way you think about relationship, okay? So, do something sa dating scene na you have never done before. Maybe you can connect with people that is out of your type kasi baka eventually sila pala yung nakatadhana sa'yo. Okay, maybe you're not into foreigners. Who knows, diba? Baka isa palang foreigner nakatadhana sa'yo. Or maybe hindi ka into Filipino. Yung pala, Pinoy ang nakatadhana sa'yo. Okay? Embrace situations and people from all kind of background and races, I would say, or culture, na maaari makapag-open up sa'yo ng mas malawak na perspective, no? That's what I mean, no? It could also be baka you're also considering a job, pero yung job na to requires working overseas. So, to step out of your comfort zone. Anything new naman is something na nakakakaba. But, once you are out there, mag-enjoy ka eh. Diba? Okay? Now, be more open-minded and receptive lang sa mga possibilities and opportunities na hindi pa natin natatry. Okay? Now, sa external energy mo, Taurus, no? Emotions are running high. So, for September on to the next 6 months, maaari na alam mo yon, and as of August 31, patawid ng September, no, expect lang na may mga triggers on emotions and feelings. So, acknowledge it, but manage your emotions and your feelings, okay? Kasi, take care of yourself, take care of about how you feel, especially pag matutulog ka, rain check ka sa naiisip mo at nararamdaman mo. Make sure it's always positive. Mas dominant ang ating positive feelings and positive thoughts than negative feelings and thoughts. Okay? So that yun ang ating makikita sa ating reality the moment we wake up every day. So emotions could be running high, but filter out emotions. Make sure na ito ay mga positive emotions na mas dominant at mas focus tayo. Okay? Let's say, emotions, you could be angry or feeling hatred, and you could be loving also. Pero mas dominant dapat yung nagmamahal than nag-hate. Okay? Now, sa 5th position, sa ating, you can benefit from this is that, ito yung maaari ka mag-benefit, no? Full moon in Libra. By the way, guys, ito palang emotions are running high ay super moon. Okay? And then, meron kang full moon in Virgo dito. You are good enough. Virgo is virgin, maiden. Okay? Remember that. So, self-care. And then, sa comfort zone, nandiyan ang North Node, no? So, North Node is something na malayo, diba? Pero, who could be there? We don't know. Pero, alam mo yun? If it's not your comfort zone, then why not try to explore? Parang tinatry kang mag-explore. Okay? And then, sa emotions are running high, nandiyan ng super moon. So, just be cautious, no? You could be strong. You could be feeling strongly. Pwede rin up and down ng emotion. But, rain check lang. More on positive feelings than negative, okay? Ngayon, don't let get pride daw in the way. So, ibaba natin ang pride natin pagdating sa mga kaibigan, sa mga taong mahal natin, pagdating din sa trabaho natin. Kung medyo sabihin natin, we're in a rough certain people, bosses, no, friends, no. So but if we feel like gusto natin magpakumbaba, mag-reach out, mag-sorry, it doesn't matter kung sino yung tama, kung sino ang mali, no. Don't let get pride parang ruin, masira ang isang magandang relasyon, ang isang magandang future. Okay? Remember that. Humility pa rin. Choose love. Choose humility. And yung mga low vibrational and negative energy like pride, okay? Tanggalin natin yan. Okay? Huwag natin pairalin. Okay? Dapat mas dominant yung, sabi ko nga, mga positive emotions. Sa new beginning, Taurus, nandito ang a fiery climax approaches. Full moon in Aries. So, may full moon in Leo ka sa 5th position mo. Fire element. Sa new beginning mo. Sinundan siya, magbe-benefit ka, diba? Tapos, yung new beginning mo, fire element din. Aries. Full moon in Aries. Magbe-benefit ka raw dito. A fiery climax approaches. So, sa new beginning mo, may nag-gain na parang momentum. Okay? Nandun na sa peak ng momentum. Okay? So, ito yung new beginning mo. So, you have to be prepared for that. Kung may pinaplano tayong mga bagong simula, nandun ka na sa 90%. Sa trabaho mo man yan, kontrata, sa bagong business mo man yan, nagbo-boom na yung sales, malapit mo nang ma-hit, kumbaga yung mark ng success, mark ng manifestation mo, baka ma-bring in mo na sa reality mo yan. It's only a matter of time. Kumbaga, isang kembot na lang nandyan na yung bagong simula na yan. So, whatever it is, congratulations, and I wish you all the best sa bagong simula na yan, Taurus. Okay? Now, at the center, yung bagay na kailangan mong matutunan or maaaring natutunan mo na lately, Balsamic Moon, a time for healing. Heal what is required for you onto the next 3 to 6 months. Okay? Next, I said kasi magre-resonate on the from today onto the next 6 months. So, use that period na mag-heal for whatever it is, no? Na parang you're suffering from parang self-esteem lack of self-esteem, mababa. No, you're good enough, remember that. Yung self-concept mo, baguhin. Okay? Think more positive about yourself, about what you can do than the negative ones. Para yung reflection, the way people see you, it's positive din yung sasabihin at sabihin nila. If we think negatively, kasi nangyari sa akin yan before, no, kahit it's not me, it's not who I am, pero I tend to parang downgrade myself. So some people, I notice, just they're insulting me. Okay, just one example. So remember, you are good enough. Okay, so heal whatever you need to heal about yourself also. We also need to forgive ourselves, no, for treating ourselves really parang bad. Like sometimes I know I'm good, but I said I'm not really good at this, no. So try not to downgrade your self-concept. Yun ang natutunan ko rin lately. So, I hope, Taurus, nag-resonate kayo dito sa reading na to. Natapos ang ating reading at 10:44 PM, August 31. And if it doesn't resonate with you, Taurus, I'll see you guys on your next month reading. Take care. God bless, Taurus. And mahal ko kayo. Bye!